Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a small video for the current energy check-in. And yes, it's just a general reading, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what's going on with my Virgos. What do they need to hear? Okay, we have the Two of Swords. So you're trying to make up your mind regarding something. Maybe you are at crossroads. It's not an easy decision. Definitely you are trying to listen, go within, trying to listen to your inner voice, and just trying to sort of keep yourself at a distance from people and figure out exactly what the situation is, what needs to be done, what not. And definitely it is some decision time. You've definitely retreated from others. You're not sharing much with people. So let's see, what is this Two of Swords here for Virgos? What's this Two of Swords for Virgos? So for the Two of Swords, we have the Ten of Wheels, the Tower, the Eight of Cups, okay. The Hangman, the Six of Wands, the Knight of Wands, Empress, Six of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Whatever. So Virgos, there has been something, there has been an unexpected change because of which you need to release something, or you need to let go of a situation or a person. Okay, unexpected shift has happened in your life, and definitely it wasn't easy for you to let it go, but you have to do it anyway. You have to release this person or the situation, and you really need to walk away from this situation, and that has come up unexpectedly. It's not easy for you to deal with it. You are just trying to figure out as to what to do next, how to explore your life now, how to move ahead in your life, and you really feel as if your life has come to a standstill. Things are not moving forward. And you're just trying to, though you know that you have to make an exit, you've decided to do that. Maybe the situation is such that there is no other option perhaps. Okay, but definitely you have to make a move. You have to leave this situation, and you really feel stuck. You really don't know how to move on, but yet you are still trying to figure out. But you know that no, I have to leave the situation, and let's see how things happen. But it's somewhere deep within you have the clarity. Okay, this is not serving me. I have to exit. And you are taking that time of sort of contemplating and just trying to figure out as to, in this stagnation or in this pause moment, you are definitely trying to figure out as to how you are supposed to take your life ahead, or how you are supposed to move forward in your life. Okay, so it is not that it is a stagnation which is not yielding anything. It is a stagnation or a pause moment in which you are trying to actually figure out how to make a move, and what should be the right move and the next move in your life. And you are doing it beautifully, because what I feel here is that once you are able to release this, whatever it is. One more thing which I'm getting here, suddenly I'm getting drawn to this Devil card here. So perhaps whatever this was, it was something which was some sort of a temptation was there in it, because the message which is coming across is that once you are able to release this situation forcefully, circumstantially, or willfully, you get back the control of your life. You know, you achieve happiness. You are able to revive your passion in your life. You're able to sort out your life in a beautiful way. No matter the path ahead may seem confused, you may have many options, you may not be able to figure out as to what to do, what not to do, but then whatever it is, you are understanding that the moment you release this, you are getting back the control of your life. You're getting back the passion in your life. You're getting the beauty and happiness in your life. So you are definitely manifesting a new beginning. You're sorting out sorting out your life in a beautiful way. But what I feel here is that whatever this, since this Devil is there, what I feel here is that it wasn't easy for you to let it go. There is a temptation of over here as to which is drawing you again, and that is why perhaps it was really tough for you to release this situation. Okay, so maybe you are holding on to it since a long time, and you knew at some point in time deep within your heart that it is not good for you, it's not for your highest purpose, it's not serving your highest purpose, you really need to release it, but you weren't able to do it. Okay, it's something like that. But then something, and you were just postponing that exit, or postponing leaving this situation or a person. But since now it is inevitable, you have to do it. Okay, there is no other way. So it was something which was tough. It was making you either comfortable to be with this person or the situation. Maybe you were comfortable, maybe you were too dependent on this person, some codependency type of a thing. Maybe there was some temptation, something was there which it was tough for you to release, but now you have to do it anyway. But ultimately you will realize that once you are able to do that, you will realize that things are back on track. No matter how confused the situation ahead may be, no matter how confused the life may be, but things will be okay. Okay, that things will be okay. If you feel that you are still confused, you are still not able to figure out, you really need to do that inner work and check that are you still falling into the same pattern, are you still going back to the same situation, or you are again choosing the same thing which has actually not served you in the past. So Virgos, I think that is what is the message which is coming across for you. I just hope it resonates and hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye, thank you.